Hi guys, buenos dias everyone. Time check na kita. It's 1:30 in the afternoon and nakapag almost 24 hours of fasting na tayo guys. So ready na yung food ko dito. I am ready to break my fast. Meron akong prito na tilapia, kangkong, pipino at saka isang itlog. So yesterday nakapag-omad tayo, 1 meal a day, and today I'm hoping na omad pa rin. Meron din pala akong sabaw guys dito. Sobra to from soup kahapon and then nag-add ako ng ground beef. So let's eat guys! Try muna natin yung kangkong. Cheers! Meron din pala tayong hot sauce. Sarap. Ang budget ng meal na ito guys is more or less 120 to 130 pesos. So since isang beses lang man ako kumain, most of the time. So yun lang din gastos ko. Kamay na lang natin guys. So, ganito yung food ko guys, low carb. Nakatulong to sa pag-lose ko ng weight and yung intermittent fasting. So, most of the time, OMAD yung ginagawa ko, 1 meal a day. Minsan, 2 meals. Pero bihira na. So, yun lang muna for now guys. Ubusin ko muna to. Sinishare ko lang yung mga kinakain ko. Stay healthy and stay low carb. Bye!